Guys, this is the Cricut expression making the sound on the edges when you put it on. And I didn't see any video on YouTube ever, nowhere to be found. And my wife got this old machine, she bought it second hand, and we only got it for about a week, and then it made this sound. And I went on the internet to see what it is, and no one is commenting about a sound. No one knows what it is. Even Cricut, the Cricut company doesn't even know what it is. So I found a problem here. So if you put it on, it makes this sound. And nothing is lit up, you know, all the stuff. There's no lights on there. So if you put it on, I'll just show it again. So you can actually see there what's happening. But I open it here on the side. I'll show you now how to open it. And I saw that this little thing or wires, I just want to get it close, that thing here needs to connect in there. Where is it now? There, the red thing there. And it needs to stay there, otherwise it won't work. And I don't know if it broke off or what happened, but if you put the machine on and you plug that thing in, you'll see what happened. I'll put the machine on and I'll plug it in there and I'll keep it there. What happened now? And there's it right. And now you can load your maps. Load the mat to begin, and it's right. So this is the problem why it makes this horrible sound. So if you put it off again, and it will, and on again, there's the wires not plugged in, not actually plugged in, it's actually broke loose. So if you put it off and on again, you take this thing and you just hold it there, and there's it kicking in. Load the maps, and that is the problem. So we have to glue this thing. This thing broke off. It's actually, it broke off. I can't zoom into it. Yeah, there is it. It broke off loose. So that thing was supposed to be, it's a whole piece supposed to stay there. So we're going to try to glue it so it can keep it. So this little 2 points needs to be standing, needs to connect on those like steel inside there around the red button. Needs to be around the red button. So when it pushes back and it connects to this 2 little points, then somehow it stops, make a circuit run through it, and it stops. But if it doesn't do it, this is what's happening. Horrible sound. And now we're gonna put it in and back. Oh, shit. Just gonna put it with my hand there. There's it pushing back and it's activating. And when it activates, it's alright, it's out. So yeah, we're gonna glue it, put a little bit of glue on top of that thing here on the sides, and glue it on here. So we hope it's gonna work. My wife was so disappointed because it didn't work. So I'll send this video and how you guys take this thing out here. I'm just gonna put this thing off. Just want to unplug it. Now you guys took it out, you take a little screwdriver. This one, where is it? There is it, a flat one, not a big one. And then you press it inside here. And you press it hard and you open this first piece here. And also the bottom piece here. And then you take it with your hand and you unclip the whole gray area. All the grays area here. And inside here you get 1, 2, 3, 4 screws and you unscrew it. Not on that side, on the right hand side. After unscrewing, just want to show you what's happening here. After unscrewing on the right hand side, this is what you'll see. And this thing is, it's connected it way, but it was loose. So I took it off. And this is the problem here. So you can just glue it here on the black area, not on the steel area, just on the black round area. You can glue it and glue it back there, and it most probably will work again. That's the problem of the machine.